Welcome back, guys. My name is Rohan Bijou, and today we're gonna look at an Apple Watch Series 6. We're gonna do an unboxing and a general review. I'm also doing a giveaway, and to know more information about that giveaway, you can follow me at rohan.bijou to know how you can enter. So without further ado, let's get into the video and welcome to Techno Review. So right here, we've got the Apple Watch box. As you can see, the packaging is almost the same as previous Apple Watch models, but this time they left out the charging brick to quote unquote save the environment. And right here, you can see that I got the Apple Watch red aluminum case with the red sports band, 44mm screen. Okay, so while you open the box, you can see that there is a nice red interior. And also you get two boxes inside, as always. You get the actual display and the band. So let's first look at the display. Okay, so first two things you see are the actual Apple Watch and the paperwork. So first let's look at this Apple Watch. The covering is made out of like a paperish material. So right now you can see the display. It's almost the same as any Apple Watch model. I actually like the matte red sides. It looks very nice. So, and also you have some paperwork, and you also have the charging cable. So now let's open the band. So this is almost same as any other band. Yeah, regular packaging. And yeah. Yeah, and also now this is a comparison between the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. You barely can tell a difference. They look almost identical. They feel the same too. They're almost the same weight. It's just that you have a little bit more features in the Apple Watch Series 6 than the Apple Watch SE, but I cannot tell a difference. So to list off from features for this Apple Watch, it has a GPS, compass, and always-on altimeter, which is new this year. It has water resistance to up to 50 meters. It has a blood oxygen sensor, an electrical heart sensor, a second generational optical heart sensor, emergency international calling, emergency SOS, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, ambient light sensor, speaker, microphone, Apple Pay, gym kit, and it also has an always-on Retina LTPO OLED display that shows up to 1000 nits of brightness. And this always-on display is supposed to be 2 times brighter than the previous Apple Watch, which was the Apple Watch Series 5, and it definitely shows, you can definitely see the difference between the previous model. It's definitely brighter. So this Apple Watch also has a W3 Apple wireless chip and a U1 chip. And also this Apple Watch has up to 18 hours of battery life. So I've been using the Apple Watch Series 6 for 2 weeks, and for me, my personal review is that I can't see any difference between the Apple Watch Series 6, Series 5, or the Apple Watch SE, except that, you know, the always-on display is not there in the Apple Watch SE, but I couldn't tell any difference. All of them look the same. They kind of also feel the same. I hope you guys liked my video. Please click here to subscribe to my channel and leave a like below and hit that bell icon to get notified on my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.